GE profile gas stove had cleaning cycle on. Got error turn off surface burners. Allowed stove to cool now will not light burners or oven. Help please.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. May I please have your model number so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information? What was TH error code you got?
PCGB930SETSS Just said turn off surface burners. None were unlocked out.
Let's try this.
Read the manual and try that before contacting you.
Okay, so that would indicate that the control is not locked. And killing the power did not reset the control, which would mean the control is faulty, possibly got too hot during self-clean, and will need to be replaced. WHRLP Master Tech 41267.0416685532.
Brand new ARG.
Well, if it is brand new, call for service so they can come check it out under warranty.
Thanks for your help. Of course, I have a house full for the holidays.
Oh boy. You could try turning the breaker off and on several times, hoping to reset the control. Maybe. Good luck.
THX.
No problem, good luck. Glad to assist you. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.